Before we insert a chart, we need to enter the details which has to be represented in the form of a chart. So let's start by entering the details. Now here we can see that we have prepared a list where the student's name is there and some subject marks are displayed. If we want to show this data in the form of a chart, what we are going to do is, first we need to select the entire data. We can simply click and drag to select the data and then click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, you will get the options of the charts. Various category of charts will be available here. Let's take the bar chart. So click on this. You'll get some more subcategories in this, and the preview will be visible as you move the mouse pointer over it. So just let's take the first one in 2D column and click. Our chart is inserted. It is just in the form of a picture. Once the chart is inserted, we can just click and drag it and place it to the required position. Suppose I want to just place it below the data here. So I'll keep it here. So it's so simple to insert a chart. In the next video, we will learn how to format a chart.